what are we doing today? Well, for starters, we're looking out at the beautiful sunrise, which according to the health gurus, it's a good thing for your circadian rhythm. It resets your pineal gland. And for me, it's just admiring nature while I'm making the commute into town. So you might be asking yourself, well, first you're probably asking, what is that dreadful sound? Well, I drive a 20-year-old diesel Dodge truck, and that's what that sound is. That's what the old diesels sound like. The new ones are like quiet, except the new ones tend to brake more and require that depth. But anyway, so as I said, I'm driving into community college, and you might be asking yourself why I might be doing that at the age of 58. Well, as you know, I own a farm, and things break on a farm, and I can only barter so much welding skills, so I'm here to learn how to weld. And I even have a stick welder. It's just sitting in the garage, but I'm honestly, in all honesty, I'm a little bit too scared to start the thing. Scared I might blow myself up or blind myself or something. So I'm going to learn how to do it right. So, fortunately, the instructor here, he gets it. He knows that I'm just there to learn how to put two pieces of metal together so they stick. So he calls it farmer welding 101. So that's pretty much it. That's the deal. So I'm fairly well committed. I have a full load of welding for the next 4 months. And thanks to my GI Bill, it's probably one of the more practical classes that I'll be taking. Sorry for the jitter of the screen, but that's the road.